Welcome to English Ocean. Our unique and exciting stories will help you learn English quickly and easily. Imagine standing on the shores of the Dead Sea, gazing at the sparkling water under the sunlight. No waves, no bird sounds, just a strange silence. The water here is so salty that you can float without swimming. But behind its beauty, there are mysteries that intrigue the world, from ancient scrolls, legends of monsters, to sudden sinkholes swallowing the land. The Dead Sea, located between Israel and Jordan, is the lowest point on Earth, at 430 meters below sea level. With a salt concentration of 34%, 10 times saltier than ocean water, there is almost no life here, except for some special bacteria. But is the Dead Sea really dead? Or is it hiding living stories, waiting for us to discover? We will uncover the mysteries of the Dead Sea, from ancient history to modern scientific phenomena. Get ready for a journey full of surprises. Have you ever heard of the Dead Sea? What intrigues you most about this place? Share in the comments below. Part 1. Why is it called the Dead Sea? Why is the Dead Sea called such a scary name? The Dead Sea, also known as the Salt Sea, is a saltwater lake located between Israel and Jordan. Its salt content is so high that no fish or algae can live here. Only a few bacteria and fungi survive. That's why it's called dead. But the Dead Sea is not just a natural wonder. It's also famous for its ability to let people float on the water. Tourists from all over the world come here to experience the sensation of floating as if they were in space. However, don't let its safety look fool you. The Dead Sea is the second most dangerous swimming spot in Israel. Every year, there are many drowning cases because tourists try to swim the regular way or let salty water get into their eyes or mouths. The salt water can cause severe irritation, and if you try to swim normally, your legs will be lifted, causing you to lose balance. Rule number 1, only float on your back, and be careful. Here's an interesting story. In 2010, 21 people were rescued from the Dead Sea for not following safety rules. This reminds us that even though the Dead Sea looks peaceful, it still hides unexpected dangers. Have you ever been to a place that seemed safe but had hidden dangers? Part 2. Ancient Mysteries. Did you know that one of the greatest archaeological discoveries of the 20th century began with a shepherd boy? In 1947, near the Dead Sea, in Qumran, a Bedouin boy accidentally found ceramic jars containing ancient scrolls. These scrolls, known as the Dead Sea Scrolls, changed our understanding of history. Written from the 3rd century BCE to the 1st century CE, the scrolls contain the oldest known manuscripts of the Hebrew Bible, along with non-biblical texts and documents of a mysterious sect. Around 981 manuscripts were found in 11 caves, mostly in Hebrew, Aramaic, and Greek. Who wrote them? One theory is that the Essene sect, living in isolation in Qumran, wrote them, but some believe they were brought from Jerusalem to be hidden during wartime. In 2025, new research using AI and carbon dating suggests that many scrolls may be older than we thought, whilst raising new questions about biblical history. These scrolls are not just documents, they are doors to the past, full of mystery and debate. If you found an ancient document, what secrets would you want to uncover? Part 3: Legends and Myths. In the Middle Ages, the Dead Sea was seen as a haunted place where demons lived. People told stories of monsters in the lake, ready to swallow anyone who dared to come close. One legend talks about the snake Tyr, or Tyrus, living near the Dead Sea. This snake was extremely poisonous, could glow like red-hot iron, and pierce through thick wood. Its venom was used in Tyriac, an ancient antidote. In fact, this snake might be based on the Echis colorata, a venomous snake found in this area. There are also stories about halophilic monsters, creatures that live in salt, hiding in the Dead Sea, believed to be responsible for the deaths of believers who came to bathe at the baptism site on the Jordan River. These stories, even though they are myths, add to the mystery of the Dead Sea, making it a place that is both terrifying and fascinating. Part 4: Modern Scientific Mysteries. The Dead Sea has not only ancient mysteries, but also modern scientific surprises. One of these is the more than 4,000 sinkholes that have appeared around its shores, some reaching depths of 25 meters and widths of 40 meters. These sinkholes occur because the Dead Sea is shrinking, losing about 1 meter of water every year due to the reduced flow of the Jordan River. As the underground water dissolves the salt layers beneath the surface, the land sinks, swallowing roads, farms, and even resorts. In 2024, scientists discovered white smokers, columns of white smoke, under the Dead Sea, emitting salty water. These may help predict sinkhole formations. Another phenomenon is salt snow. At the end of summer, when a thin layer of salt covers the water's surface, caused by double convection between saltwater layers. These mysteries show that the Dead Sea is still changing, challenging scientists and visitors alike. Have you ever witnessed a strange natural phenomenon? Part 5: Historical Mystery, Sodom and Gomorrah. According to the Bible, Sodom and Gomorrah were two sinful cities destroyed by fire and brimstone. Only Lot and his family were allowed to escape, but Lot's wife looked back and turned into a pillar of salt. The location of these cities remains a mystery. Some scholars believe they are located north of the Dead Sea, while others think they are south, near Mount Sodom, where a salt pillar called Lot's wife stands. Scientists suggest that Sodom and Gomorrah may have been destroyed by a large earthquake or landslide, which led to the story of fire from the sky. However, no archaeological evidence has pinpointed their exact location. The story of Sodom and Gomorrah remains a big mystery, attracting archaeologists and history enthusiasts alike. Do you think ancient stories like Sodom and Gomorrah are true? The Dead Sea, though called dead, is a place full of life, with history, science, and mysterious stories. From the Dead Sea Scrolls to modern sinkholes, from monster legends to Sodom and Gomorrah, the Dead Sea always keeps us curious and amazed. Millions of visitors come here every year to float on the water, enjoy the unique scenery, and learn about its rich history. With new discoveries like the 2025 AI research on the Dead Sea Scrolls, the Dead Sea continues to reveal its secrets for explorers or those who love the mysterious. The Dead Sea is like a seductive and mysterious lover. The more you explore, the more surprising it gets, the more you understand, the more unique it becomes. And sometimes it's just so hard to explain. If you enjoyed this story and want to hear more simple English like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow our channel. Let's enjoy learning English together with amazing stories. See you in the next video.